Hello, welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. This is my parterre. It's buxus, sempervirens, boxwood or box plant. A couple of months ago, maybe 3 months ago, I fed this because it was all looking a little bit dull and tired, and I promised you a results video. So this is the results video of that feeding, which I did only a few months ago. And if you want to see the original feeding video, I will link it in the description box below this one, but this is the results video which will be linked from that one. Let me get hold of the camera and show you what happens to boxwood or buxus in the springtime if you feed it well. Let me get hold of that camera right now. And here it is, look, and as we get in closer you will observe, I hope, all this beautiful fresh new growth emerging at the top. This is a result of several things, not just the feeding which I gave it. It's also a result of the temperature improving, the light levels increasing, and we're into spring and we'll soon be into summer. And all this lovely pale fresh acid lime green growth will go dark green, and this will grow and grow and grow. Even the bits down here are showing signs of lovely fresh new growth, as you can see. This was the bit that particularly worried me, but every single one of these little plants is showing signs of recovery. It's just because they'd gone through winter, they were a little bit hungry, a little bit starved of light. But now as I spin round, you can see the parterre is going to come back into its own and become a wonderful feature in the front garden of my cottage. Very happy. So there we are, the results of feeding the parterre and just a little bit of extra light and warmth, and it springs back into life. Hope you've enjoyed that. See you soon for some more parterre boxwood feeding adventures. Bye for now.